come along with us.
Denmark, Western Australia. So we just got here from Albany, staying at the Big 4 caravan park just across the road. Pay 3, stay for 4. So we're doing the 8-night stay. Overall, it's around about the $200 mark, not even that. So we're going to stay here for a little bit, because what a magnificent place. Got the Australian Bight out over here, and it's coming into this into these heads, and we've got a magnificent bay out over there, and that's where the caravan park is. But this little lookout, Macquarie Rock. Yeah. Gonna come down and have a look if you wanna. Probably be out, this is probably about as far as I want to go. She's a bit rough out there today. Anyway, we'll go and find out what's happening around this place of town.
Time to explore the outback, a place so large and vast. Today, Australia, land of the sun, quite the adventure, so much fun. It's the trip of our lives where the view.
Just another one of these amazing lookouts here at Denmark.
Sure we'll miss you on this journey, but there's no place we'd rather be. So
this place is so good. You get the chance to come to Western Australia, come and stay at Denmark. Oh, brilliant. Peaceful Bay Caravan Park. So this is our site for the next few days. Might stay here till Father's Day. Apparently got the best fish and chip shop just across the road there, and yeah, just up there across that hill is the beach, which is where I was the other day going for a bit of a paddle. So might head over there on the weekend for a swim. But yeah, got our fire pit all set up, and yeah, we're not that far away actually from the toilet block, which is just over there, and you wouldn't believe it, but there's a camp kitchen right up the top of that hill, and now I've worked out why no one uses it. Decent bloody walk up there, so I wouldn't want to be carrying your food up and down. Yeah, you'll go roly-polies down the hill. Looks like the owner's, the manager's got his own boat and tractor. So, yeah, Peaceful Bay. It is too. Going to put the awning down today. Looks like the wind's going to pick up a bit this afternoon, so just to be on the safe side. That's it. I'll put it up again tonight when the wind drops down. It's already dropped down now. Anyhow. Alright, we're at Peaceful Bay Caravan Park. She's a little bit blowy today, a little bit overcast, but we're going to the giant treetop walk, yeah, just out by Walpole, Western Australia. So go and have a look at this place. Okay, so we've made it to the Giant Valley Treetop Walk, and you just walk along this this pathway, I suppose, and we're looking down on top of the forest. Yeah, so It's only about a 600 metre walk in that, Debs, I think. So, yeah, uh-oh. Uh-oh, here we go. "15 people per span." Alright, so this looks like it. Alright, looks like I'm going, uh-oh, don't look down. I'm not looking down. Oh, are you doing alright, Debs? I'm not looking down. Okay, this is interesting. If you keep moving, you don't feel it. Don't look down, whatever you fucking do. Are you still behind me? Are you hanging on? Oh shit, I'm looking down.
Andrew and Debbie to see whether we hike, surf, or explore. Never need anything more. So come along.
You alright, still behind me?
Caravan,
Just keep talking to me.
the Australian desert
Okay.
sand. All
right, you ready? Okay.
Love it, we guarantee. We sold our
go.
family home.
It's better.
Jumped out of our comfort
You behind me?
zone to explore Australia.
I'm not looking down.
Come along with us.
You still there? Just gonna stop here and have a fucking breather. Not quite sure about you guys, but I'm hanging on for dear fucking life here. Alright, you ready? I reckon this is the last bit. Yeah. Yep. Don't fucking look down. Alright. Fuck, that last bit was windy.
I just stood there
Oh, why?
because I didn't want to walk with the wind.
Oh, I just wanted to get off there.
How come no one else is walking like that?
Fuck. They're all crazy. Have no fear of dying.
There, have a look.
No, fuck that. I'll look at the video when I get back. Oh. What, are you there?
Yeah.
You right?
Yeah, I'm just looking.
Oh. Oh. I think this is at a better level. Oh, I feel fucking better now. And it's not wobbling as much, is it? No. Alright, let me just take... Alright, so that's where I came from. Up there. Debs. Hang on, no. I selfie of the two of us. Alright, just say, we did it. We walked up there and across. I saw jack shit because I was looking up at the top all the time. But you did well, Debs. You did a lot fucking better than me.
Let's get out of here.
Oh.
Oh, it's changed.
What has? Yeah. It's a wooden one now.
You can't see through.
Oh. Oh, good. Couldn't see
I think
through.
it was the fact you could see through it.
Oh, I know. Yep.
That was pretty.
And I'm
And
just...
it started wobbling, and I was thinking,
Oh, this one's not wobbling. Oh.
look at that tree.
Which one?
That one. Massive. Oh, and that one. Look at that one.
Wow. Oh, back to some sort of civilization. Oh, oh.
Look at what you pick all these things to do when you get it.
Fuck. Oh, someone said it was good fun to do.
Yeah, who? You're running.
Oh, Debs, hold that and point it towards me like that, just for a minute. All right, down there, point it at me. Can you see me?
Yep. You're never going to get up.
Thank fuck for that. I did it. Oh, thank goodness.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I can't
You get a bit dizzy then.
Yeah.